Welcome to Reverse Tone Training, your source for valuable business knowledge. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of options trading, a fascinating avenue in the financial realm. Options trading. Options trading is a financial strategy where investors trade contracts that give them the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. Call options. A call option grants the holder the right to buy an asset at a certain price, known as the strike price. It's utilized when investors anticipate the asset's value will rise. Put options. A put option provides the holder the right to sell an asset at a predetermined price. It's employed when investors predict the asset's value will decrease. Premium. The premium is the cost of purchasing an option. It varies based on factors like the asset's price, volatility, and expiration date. Benefits and risks. Options trading offers potential for high returns, leverage, and flexibility in various market conditions. However, it also involves risks, including potential loss of the premium paid. Strategies. Traders use different strategies, like covered calls and protective puts, to manage risk and maximize profits. Getting started. If you're interested in options trading, educate yourself, practice with paper trading, and start with small investments. Thank you for watching Reverse Tone Training video. Stay tuned to Reverse Tone Training for more insightful financial guidance.